Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. Today I'm making Fura or Fula, and I hope you like it. As I always say, no long talk biao, EBT. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, so I'm going to add 2.5 cups of millet flour in this bowl, and then 1 tablespoon of ginger, a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and then a teaspoon of clove powder and chili powder. I'll mix it together and then add some water to mix it into a dough. Yeah, so now my dough is formed. I'll then cover it and then let it sit for about 3 days for it to ferment. 3 days later, so I covered it with foil to avoid the white stuff coming on top of it. So I'm going to mix it with water and then cook it like the way we cook banku. I'll cook it till it's cooked very well. I'll add some salt to it. So I have to keep stirring it to prevent it from getting lumpy. It's forming nicely. So this, if you are making it, make sure you don't make it too soft. You want it a bit hard. If it is too soft, it can spoil the fura. It can make it watery if you finish making it. But if you make it in between, not too soft, a bit hard, but not too hard, that will make your fura stay a bit longer and not go bad. My fura is about done. It's cooked very well. Now I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. I'll transfer it into this bowl and then let it cool down. It's now cool. I'm going to use this flour to coat it with it. Now I'll then shape it round like a ball and then coat it in this flour. So that is what I'm going to do. Very simple. So you coat it with the millet flour to help it stay longer. If you want to keep it longer, then you have to coat it. But if you will just use it the same day, I don't think you have to coat it with the millet flour. And if you don't have millet flour, you can use normal bread flour or plain flour. That will be fine. So I'm done. This is the amount I got. Now I'm going to make some and enjoy. So I'll make one. I'm going to mix it with my spoon. But if you prefer, you can use blender to get a smoother fura. But I prefer making it with my spoon. Now I've added some water and sugar, but with the water you can use whole milk or semi-skimmed milk if you prefer. But with this one I'm using evaporated milk. That's why I used the water. Normally I use whole milk, then that's it. I don't add water to it. So I'm done. I'm going to add my evaporated milk to it and then add some peanut and then enjoy. It was so nice and smells fresh with the spices. I hope you will try it and you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and click the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload new video. And subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed so we keep popping with yumminess. Till next time, peace.